We are back, and yes, it's time to roll out a recipe. Courtesy of the folks at Pepe's, and Pepe's has a line of fruits, and we are using this morning cranberries and raisins, as well as their quinoa we're using this morning. Guys, Nailah Blackman is still with us and is getting ready to help me roll this recipe out.
I'm excited.
You are. You cook?
Kind of. Not really, no.
Because where would you have time to cook now?
Exactly.
So how do you eat and what do you eat?
Well, I eat very sparingly, actually. And I eat a lot of, I'm a very picky eater.
Yeah. Because you don't do meat?
No.
You don't do meat?
I don't do meat. I do seafood and pescatarian.
Right.
I don't have dairy. These days, I'm doing myself a little no bread thing, a no gluten thing, actually.
Right.
But that's not permanent. That's just for the season.
For the season, cutting back.
Yeah. And I don't know. Yeah. I like healthy things.
Yeah, she likes healthy things. So sometimes I don't always do healthy things.
Okay. You're the one that puts like 6 different types of cheese on your macaroni pie.
That's what I do.
Okay.
But I said, let me come up with something healthy. And thank God for the folks at Pepe's, because they have a line of quinoa.
Okay.
Quinoa is a superfood, and I thought we should do superfood
Definitely.
for Supergirl here. So that we're doing quinoa this morning, and it's really a lovely little simple toss that's so flavorful. I really hope that you do enjoy. It's a quinoa, and because you're pescatarian, we're doing shrimp.
It looks nice.
Yeah, so we're doing quinoa, shrimp, and fruit.
Is
Quinoa,
this
shrimp,
pre-cooked?
fruit. So it's pre-cooked.
Okay.
Quinoa, shrimp, and a fruit salad we're doing this morning, guys. It's pre-cooked. So everybody has a kind of different way to do their quinoa. All we did, 1 cup of the quinoa to 2 cups of water.
Okay, 1 cup. Wow.
I allow it to boil down. So I just allow it to boil down, steam down until the water is fully absorbed, and you kind of know when it kind of separates, the grain kind of separates. So you allow it to boil. Don't strain it. Just allow the water to do its thing and steam it down, and it gets nice like that.
Like rice.
Yeah, and like rice, and it's a real superfood now. It's lots of nutrients in there. So that's what we're doing this morning. So Nailah, the first thing we want to do, I just want to come across here. We're going to do a dressing. So it's a salad, so we're doing a dressing. On a simple dressing, I am adding ingredients, and Nailah is responsible for mixing and whisking. So just a little oil. To that oil, I will add just a touch of, this is red wine vinegar.
Red wine vinegar.
Red wine vinegar.
Need that in my house.
I'm going to add a touch of shadow benny.
Bandanya.
Salt.
Ooh, it looks good.
Pepper. I have some oregano. And just a touch of sugar.
What kind of oil is that?
So that olive oil, very, very important that you use olive oil for your vinaigrette. It kind of just has that, well-rounded taste. Like you could drink olive oil, that kind of thing. So garlic, I don't chop garlic. For those people who follow the show, I came up.
Oh, look how fancy you. Fancy
me. Fancy me. This is really lazy me sometimes, not wanting to chop up garlic, and you get your mixed in all there. How does that look?
Very nice.
That looks good. I could probably add a touch of oil again, just based on how much I'm seeing. A touch of oil. Get that all mixed in there. You good? And rest that aside. Now that you're not finished yet.
Okay.
You're not finished yet. Come across on this side. So I have some shrimp that I really just want. Let me get it in there for you. Seasoned, very, very basic seasoning. Salt, pepper, a little good old Trini green seasoning.
Yeah.
And
lots and lots of bandanya.
Lots and lots of bandanya and onions, and Trini green seasoning is like, I think, the god of flavor, though. I mean,
it definitely is.
Yeah,
it definitely is. I live by it.
Yeah, when you have Trini green seasoning in any dish. So Nailah, shrimp, you know shrimp. Shrimp doesn't
I know
take
shrimp.
long.
It does not take long to cook. The first time I cooked it, I learned that lesson.
You learned that lesson?
I learned that lesson.
Don't overcook shrimp.
Don't overcook shrimp.
So literally a minute or 2 on either side. You can do a flip. You're monitoring. Nailah's on shrimp. I am on the quinoa and building the salad now. So this is simple, Nailah. It's just, you have the quinoa that you add to the base. Fluff it up nicely.
Ooh, looks good.
Yeah. So we're actually building a salad using quinoa. normally no lettuce. So quinoa is such a superfood that you can use it and have a kind of satisfying meal all in one here, and then you're eating healthy as well. To the quinoa, I'm just adding all my veggies now. So this morning I got some nice fancy peppers. So I got green and some nice yellow peppers as well. I like color, so I kind of like to see color. I'll just use about half of the green, and I mix this in. Red onions.
Why do they call it red onions? It's purple to me. It's definitely purple.
I have asked that question forever. Nailah. It is purple onions. But the people say red onions, so I didn't change it. That right was the story you told a little while ago. The Soca and the Soca. Yeah, it did. In there, to that now, just as I'm waiting, I'm adding really the star ingredient today. So my sweet and savory mood continues on the show today. I'm in a sweet and savory mood. And this here is the Pepe's raisins. So I'm just going to add, because when you taste it, the flavor of the vinaigrettes will be so nice and spicy and thick, but the sweet will just kind of balance it off a little bit. So I'm so excited. I'm hoping you enjoy. This is the raisins, and this is some dried cranberries. Get the entire fruit line. They have prunes, they got some dates, all the fruits I think you will need for Christmas. Look for the Pepe's logo.
That looks great.
Look at the color. You like the color?
It looks fantastic, yeah.
You get it all mixed in there.
Yo, don't catch me if you see me driven.
I just, at this stage, just before we get the shrimp in, I just do a little quick season, salt and pepper, seasoning layers, as I always say. Salt and pepper. Mix in. A little touch of the oregano. Because it's a kind of Italian flavor. How are you doing there, ma'am?
To be honest, I'm not sure.
You're looking good?
I did flip them, but I feel like I flipped them too soon.
No. So when you start seeing it getting opaque in color, you're reaching that point of readiness.
Okay.
I think we just need about a minute or so long there, and we're adding this shrimp to this work of art. This is so simple, Nailah.
Smells
even when you're on the go. You have a little time, you have a little kitchenette somewhere where you're staying in the world. You get some quinoa.
Yep.
You have some
shrimp.
You
can pack it in my suitcase.
You can pack it in your suitcase and move with it. Very, very nice. Nailah, I think we're ready.
Okay, can I do them one by one?
You can do them one by one. But I'll show you a little something when you do them one by one. Get it in.
Okay.
Get it in.
Wasn't sure.
Yeah. And you're just folding the shrimp in.
The shrimp smells fantastic.
It smells fantastic, and this is really simple. Salt, pepper, nothing fancy in there. A little shadow belly, a little green seasoning. And Nailah has perfectly cooked shrimp. Nailah Blackman, thank you very much for cooking with me this morning.
Thank you for having me. I just can't wait to eat.
We are going to eat, I assure you. So to this, once the shrimp is nice and hot in there, final thing is that you add the more Soca vinaigrette.
Yep.
More vinaigrette, more Soca. And you just mix that in there. So guess what, Nailah?
What?
You could actually make this. You see what you say? You take it in the suitcase. You could make this. The longer it sits, the better it tastes.
For real? Oh my God.
Because all the ingredients get to know each other. The vinaigrette gets to know the quinoa. The shrimp meets the fruit. And everybody gets happy.
Wow.
We are coming back, guys. When we come back, we taste up this bad boy. It's a very simple quinoa, shrimp, and a fruit salad. Thanks to the folks at Pepe's. Nailah Blackman.
That looks great.
Thank you very much.